F wave. The tested nerve and the side are indicated at the top in the result table. The amplifier and display settings are indicated at the top of the trace area. In this test, we are going to use the so-called split sensitivity. To the left of the vertical yellow dashed line, our display gain is 5 millivolts per division to assess the compound muscle action potential. To the right of the yellow line, the gain is 500 microvolts per division to view the F waves. The time base is 5 milliseconds per division. Connect the recording electrodes to channel 1 inputs of the amplifier and turn on the amplifier if necessary. Our stimulus intensity is at 0. We will increase it gradually to reach the supramaximal level. The traces will be shown in two windows. On the left, they will be rastered one below another. On the right, they will be superimposed. That makes it very easy to recognize the change in the amplitude of the response with stimulus intensity, and thus it helps us reach the supramaximal stimulation level. Let's begin stimulation to reach the supramaximal level. Increasing the intensity gradually. Note the response. Note the increase in the amplitude of the response when I increase the intensity. And now the amplitude didn't change, indicating that I am at supramaximal stimulus level. This display contains stimulations at supramaximal and submaximal intensity. We need to record F waves at supramaximal intensity alone, and therefore I'm going to erase these traces. This is done by pushing the erase button key on the console or by using the erase function key. We will now stimulate at supramaximal intensity to record F waves. Note the F waves. The system automatically recognizes the F wave with the shortest latency. The vertical cursor F min is placed to coincide with the onset of that F wave. The F min latency is shown in the result table, and in this example it is 28.9 milliseconds. The system can also display the latency of the compound muscle action potential, or the M latency. This is measured using the cursor labeled M. In this recording, the M latency is 2.7 milliseconds. The difference between the F and the M latencies is 26.2 milliseconds. The positions of the cursors can be changed manually if necessary. For example, by using the mouse. And notice the movement of the cursor in both windows. The other method is to use the controls on the console. This concludes the basic F wave test.